Everybody, I wanted to take a minute to discuss Obenauf's leather oil. I've been using this product for 12 years. It is a US made product. Has a lot of natural components to it, and it doesn't necessarily alter the color. It does darken it just because it's saturated in an oil. But prior to using this product, I would wear out the upper of the boot. I'd wear the toe out typically really quickly. I'd wear it through, get it down to the steel toe if it was a safety toe boot. And after I started using this, now I do not wear the uppers out. The leather stays saturated and moist enough that it resists wear a whole lot better, and it doesn't dry and get fragile or fracture. But now I simply just wear out stitching, and this product I attribute all of that to. It is a phenomenal product. It smells good. It keeps the odor of work boots, especially when you're in them 16, 17 hours a day. They still smell really fresh. They have that kind of leather boot store smell that everybody kind of loves. And this product does it. It's really easy to apply. This one has a little dauber, almost like a PVC glue bottle. And it's a true oil. It works really good on all leather products, and we couldn't be happier with it. So check it out. I think you'll like it. There's great instructions on the back. US company. We give it a thumbs up and have been for over a decade now.